Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Have a seat. Okay. Before we go to our interview, so I want to take your data. Okay. So you have to give your introduction.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Please.
Yeah, man, I'm James Macklin from Australia. Thank you.
मेरा नाम है प्रवीण मुखर्जी, मैं इंडिया से आया हूँ।
Oh my God, I can't. I'm from USA, America.
My name is Shankar from Bangladesh.
My name is Checha. My from China.
Are you from China?
Yes.